Hello, my name is Lina Archibald. Welcome to my felt making studio and welcome to my online class, Felted Tassels Jewelry. This is exactly what we're going to create in this class. Tassels, lots of spaghettis. It's fun class. I would say this class is suitable for anyone with basic felt making skills. Making tassels, I heard it's daunting, it takes long time, I cannot achieve fine, even beautiful tassels. In this class, you will learn and you will create, I promise you, this beautiful fine tassels, or if you decide, thicker tassels. We will discuss what type of materials to use, different types of materials. I don't limit you to one, two, this is what you're going to use. No, we will create this project using different materials. Using different materials, you will achieve different results. In this class, we also will be talking about well-being, how to make this physical, sometimes long process of felt making enjoyable. I know we all enjoy felt making, but it's still physical. How to break project in different parts. Basically, how to enjoy felting while emptying our minds. Who this class for? I mentioned already, for anyone with completely basic felt making skills, who know how to felt. If you don't have any felt making skills, if you never try felt making, not a problem. Check my online classes, Felt Making for Beginners. Don't forget, this class is pre-recorded. It means all videos were recorded before. This class is available to you with unlimited access. I am also available to you. I make myself available because to answer your questions, there is a function attached to each video where you can ask question. It's a function called chat question. Come to me, I'll answer this question. We also have Facebook close group where we keep sharing, where we keep discussing and enjoy felt making together. This is most important, enjoying to be part of felt making communities. I mentioned we're creating, in fact, this is what you're creating in this class. However, I will show you different varieties, different design, what else you can create. Oh, with tassels you create, just limited by fantasy, so much. Adding tassels even to your scarf, to your bags, to your hats. But what else I will show you how to, talk through how to create something like that, where just loop with lots of tassels and little loops, for example. Let's put nicely how to create something like this, which is jewelry, but at the same time it can be turned into loop scarf like that. That's just some of ideas, and I'm sure with this technique, using this technique, you'll come up with more ideas. I only encourage you to experiment further with different ideas and different materials. This is the class. Thank you so much for your attention. All the best. Goodbye.